Hey, thanks for joining and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a company we spoke about just a few weeks ago, none other than Toronto, Canada-based Poet Technologies, a leader in optoelectronics design, and they actually manufacture it and build it as well. So when we last spoke about Poet Technology, we acknowledged that this is a higher risk, newer company. They had a little bit to prove, at least in my eye at the time. But here's what we were concerned about before. They were heading into manufacturing in Q4, and we wanted to see how that was going to develop for Poet. Cash flow is always something to keep a very close eye on in these newer companies. They burn a lot of cash in R&D and just in operating expense, manufacturing and building out the company. And then the other component is really there was no revenue to speak of at this point in time. A lot of design prototypes, some early stage orders and who they were going to be working with, but I wanted to see some of this gel a bit. So what's changed in the few weeks since we've covered it last? Here's the new developments, and they're quite exciting, actually. One, they've had two different cash raises at Poet Technologies in recent weeks, two separate $25 million cash raises. This is very encouraging. This is a company that can tap the markets, get money to fund their growth and development, expand production, and hit the ground running. So that's actually quite impressive. The second cash raise was actually indicated that it was done at a premium to the current stock price. So very encouraging to see that as well. I guess the next point was about manufacturing, is that they have now taken full control of a joint venture that they had in China to do manufacture their products. This is also a very encouraging sign, as they will now have end-to-end control of the manufacturing process. They're also announced an expansion into Malaysia. So there's more development and manufacturing that's going to take place in Malaysia, which has really become a hot area for tech companies to go into. A great technology base, set up low cost, and bright people to work with in Malaysia. A new board member was added recently, someone who has experience from both IBM and Broadcom. So now they're going a little bit deeper in their strength at their board level. Another very encouraging sign. So it also appears that we are deep into the fourth quarter. It appears that manufacturing is taking place, and that orders are being fulfilled. So we're going to hear more on this soon. So there's some of the new developments to address some of the concerns that we had. Is that it looks like things are progressing very nicely for Poet Technologies. But let's take one last closer look at some of the fundamentals and make sure we're still on board. So Poet Technologies has a market cap of about $365 million. That's pretty modest for a company that has a addressable market for their products of well into the billions of dollars. And they stand to earn quite a share of that with their kind of light sensing products that are very cutting edge and extremely fast. So this is exciting, and this is a growing market very rapidly. Good to see. But at $365 million market cap, that means that if you have a position, it can explode and multiply itself very quickly. Something we always like to see as we're looking for things that can double, triple, or go 10, 20 times the amount invested over a period of years. So good to see. The stock price at $4.25 has traded between a range of 77 cents and all the way up to $5.82. So it's a little bit of a range. That just means they've had a pretty good year and things are coming together for them as the stock price has rallied over 300% just this year alone. But over 5 years, it's a little bit more modest, but still nice appreciation. We've already talked about the cash position, and it appears that revenue is on the way as they have taken control of the manufacturing process, and things look to be hitting on all cylinders. So I guess with these new developments, to allay some of my initial concerns, for an emerging company such as this, it's probably, at least in my opinion, again, for educational and purposes here, do your own due diligence, but I think it's probably, for myself, I'm going to probably start growing a very small position in Poet Technologies, continue to watch it, see how it develops, and see where this company goes. But I guess I no longer feel that there's too many formidable obstacles on the table, and Poet Technologies is something that that I'm adding into my very high risk, high growth company bucket of investments and looking for big upside in the years to come. Hope that helps. Tell me what you're doing. Leave me any comments below, but Poet Technologies is starting to address the things that I was initially concerned with, and I'm looking for big things to come out of this company in the near future. We'll keep on top of it and keep you updated as well. Thanks.